You can start whenever we want.
After the beers are cracked, eh?
Should we crack it on first or after?
What do you mean?
Yeah. Do I do the
Before
intro or and then crack?
Yeah, do the intro, then crack, yeah. Then we'll cheers it. That's the go.
How you going, guys? First off, I must apologise. It's been so long. I've just been starting a new job. It's been winter and cold and shit. I really just couldn't be effed, to be honest. But I'm here with my mate Will, another happy customer. Just finished installing my mud flaps for these things on his vehicle.
Very happy with the job, guys. As you might be able to tell, I've had a bit of a fit out on the van. Saw Gary's stuff on YouTube and needed a set of his mud flaps, because that was probably the only thing I could afford right now, but I'll be coming back for plenty more of his work, that's for sure.
Definitely beer time.
Definitely beer time.
What's a bit of your background? Probably should say I'm trying to make him do some vlogging. He's about to embark on traveling around Australia, hence the big fit out. We'll go through that and give it a quick look. Just mention in the comments, try and give him a bit of motivation.
He's trying to G me up to get some documentation of the trip, but I'm a bit camera shy and don't really like being centre of attention. But yeah, I've had enough people ask me about it, and it's insides, it's outsides, what it can do and everything, so I may as well start documenting it, and I think Gary's pushed me across the line to get me there. So
hit him up in the comments, get him G'd up, make it happen. You know, beer always helps too, so cheers, mate.
Cheers, thank you, bro.
Let's go check her out.
That worked well.
So there's a little table. Oh, a little storage. No snacks in there, I'm not happy.
Next one.
Where's the beer at?
We'll get there.
Alright, there's your cooker. So what do we got going here, Will?
So this is the back kitchen, rear kitchen, so you can cook undercover as well. If you're in a bit more of an area, you're not worried about being stealth, you can open up in a car park anywhere on the beach, cook, pantry, yeah, whatever you want to do. I've also got an option to cook. I've got an induction cooker and an air fryer on the inside, so we can cook whatever we want if we're raining or whatnot. A bit more storage there.
Oh, lovely.
A few more knives and things.
You need that.
This was
A couple of wild chooks or something.
That's it. This was more of just like a big storage holder. I didn't want little
linen,
units
beach towels and stuff.
Yeah, power tools if I'm working as well. They're all industrial runners, so they can hold 120 kilos.
Made use of the space in the sides here.
Yeah, no dead space. It goes up over the wheel arches and all the way to the front of the bed.
Well, you've done a good job. Obviously, I didn't do this build. Where'd you get it? Where'd you get it done, Will?
This is Bulldog Camper Van Conversions. He's in Brookvale, but he's now moved to WA. He's still running.
Bit of a shout out.
On your Bryce from Bulldog Campers.
Easy, mate. I'll share your website and get permission and share it in the link.
Come around. This is the entry.
There's me There's the mud flaps. They really look good on this car with the silver. I must admit they do pop. The install went really well.
Looks like it really finishes and complements the van well. Get my solar panel out.
Speaking of solar, the sun's in a bit of a shit spot, but we'll manage.
Little table.
Table. Can never have too much.
Storage everywhere. Hot water heater. I don't know if you can get in there.
I'll have a quick squeeze. Oh yeah. Made use of the space.
Yeah. No dead space. 85 litre fridge.
Oh,
Not
lovely.
enough beer.
No, we need to fix that, don't we?
Yeah, gotta sort that.
I'll strap something on the roof, I reckon.
More storage there. Under sink storage.
So that's the sink there.
That's the sink. Little splashback.
Lovely.
Glass
That's all you need, eh?
That's it.
It's amazing what you fit in these vans.
A 55 litre water tank over the back.
So where are you travelling to? What's your plan of attack?
Well, first decent trip is Tassie.
Ooh.
We go Tasmania for 7 weeks, so I'm sure that should be plenty of time to travel around the island, and then we're boosting over to WA probably mid-January. And no real time frame or any plan, we're just going with the flow. Tassie was our only booked in place because we had to get the Spirit of Tasmania over, but yeah, running on our time.
What month are you travelling over to Tassie?
End of October.
End of October. Oh, at least it's not windy. I know I used to live there, and when we went over, I think in August, September, I think we had like 19-metre waves, and it took out the Spirit 3. It never ran after that. It was one stabiliser down, and
I've heard it can snow in Christmas time. So
yeah, it's a beautiful place. Beautiful place.
The bed pushes back, and I got. It's hard to see without it, but the table pops up, and you got 2 seats, so you can sit in there and eat as well.
It's all you need. A bit more storage up here.
Overhead storage that we keep hitting our
Ventilation,
heads on.
you need that.
Yeah, max air exhaust fan, all down lights, everything's on remote control and dimmers.
So have you
LED there, above there.
have you slept in it so far?
Many nights.
Many nights. It goes alright. Doesn't get too hot, cold.
No, we just did the Snowy Mountains, and we were nice and toasty in there. We actually sweated a few nights. So
Wow.
it's well insulated, does the job well. If we can survive winter,
You can survive anything. It's the bloody summers in Australia that you're going to tackle. So we're still got clearance. You can see the big thing with these guys is having the big tyre. This is actually not too bad. If you do get this off me, there's a bit of a squiz how I installed it. You start, I'll do a proper install video the more I get. Sorry, it's not zooming, it's not focusing there, but that bolt there, that screw, just go find one that fits into that OEM thread, start with that, and then line her up. Then you just run some self-tappers into here. That looks pretty good.
go around to the brain.
Obviously you got the bull bar. Finally a full bull bar available. Took them long enough.
Took them long enough. I've removed all the plastic. There's no more plastic on the van, except for these. This is my outdoor shower.
Oh, lovely.
So that's hot and cold.
Bath the dog with that, I reckon.
Got your shower tent there. Your power supply.
The roof rack.
Point there.
Oh, lovely.
Top up under there.
So that's your water under here, eh?
Yeah.
So obviously in that cavity that takes the original spare tyre,
Yeah.
it just sits up in there.
55 litre tank there, and this is the brain with the 2000 watt inverter, 200 amp hours of sodium batteries.
Sodium batteries.
Safe, I think I'm saying it right, Safari or Safari. Yeah, they're doing crazy good things that I can't really explain the technology, but
It's pretty hard to keep up with it all, isn't it? It really is
you
these
bypass
days.
a lot of the lithium problems that you have with ventilation, keeping them dry and everything.
Temperature.
Yeah, they don't cut out, and they got double the charge expectancy of lithium as well.
How do they go with like discharge? I know once lithiums die, like they're kind of.
Their discharge is 90%, so they go down to 90% discharge rate.
Yeah.
Where I think some only go 80. I think lithium is the same.
Yeah, it has to be safe, otherwise they never charge again. I think they've got like built-in.
So
It gets out of my wheelhouse as well.
yeah, it's all too technical to me. I know how it works. I don't know how to install it, but yeah, I can run an air fryer, which is the main thing we wanted to do. So
That's it.
that's us. And
Again.
one more little goodie I forgot to mention. The TJM twin compressor in the back there with a switch just in.
Oh, that's a neat little spot. Easy.
Switch.
He's all set up. All right, guys. Again, a quick little video. Please show your support. Hit him up. We've got to get him on the video, showing us around the country in this rig. Good on you, Will.
The main character is the mud flaps.
That just made the vehicle. Screw the rest of the van. It's got mud flaps now.
The mud flaps are the winner.
It's ready to go, but hit us up in the comments. Let us know if you need mud flaps. The links will be below for all the good stuff. Yeah.
I'll keep you posted, guys, if I get a channel going.
He will. He has to. Thanks, guys.